Welcome! Today, we're diving into an important topic that many of us encounter in our online lives: blocking someone on Messenger. Whether it's to avoid unwanted messages, protect your privacy, or simply find a little peace of mind, knowing how to use this feature is essential. So, let's get started. The first step is to open the Messenger app on your Android device. Once you've done that, locate the chat with the person you need to block. It's important to find the right conversation, so take your time. Once you're in the chat, tap on the person's name at the top of the screen. This will take you to their profile settings, where you can find additional options. Next, scroll down the page until you see the block option. This may be located under privacy settings or right in the main menu, depending on your version of the app. After selecting block, you'll be given a prompt with different blocking options. Choose block on Messenger, and to finalize the action, confirm by tapping block once more. And just like that, you've successfully blocked someone on Messenger. It really is a straightforward process, but it can have a significant impact on your online experience. So remember, don't hesitate to use this feature if you ever feel the need. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.